66 million years ago, the biosphere experienced an abrupt, total system failure. An asteroid roughly the size of a city slammed into the planet, ending the reign of the dinosaurs in a matter of hours. We look back at that event as a distant tragedy, but from an engineering perspective, our planet remains a closed biological system with a severe design flaw. In systems architecture, there is a concept known as a single point of failure. It dictates that if one critical component goes down, the entire operation halts. Right now, 100% of known human civilization is localized on this one spinning rock. We gaze up at the night sky, and it appears perfectly peaceful. The reality is, our solar system is a highly dynamic shooting gallery, filled with rogue debris traveling at tens of thousands of miles per hour. Because we exist within a single point system, a direct hit from a massive space rock, or even a terrestrial event like a supervolcano eruption, would not be contained to a single region. It would execute a complete planetary system wipe. This raises a rather pressing question. How exactly have we survived this long without a backup drive? And what do we do when our astronomical luck finally runs out? In any engineering model, a system with a single point of failure is inherently unstable. If we remain a one-planet species, our survival depends entirely on a sequence of cosmic luck that cannot last forever. To understand our continued survival, we have to zoom out and examine the macro scale of our cosmic neighborhood. We currently rely on a massive, naturally occurring defense mechanism. We have an unengineered cosmic bodyguard, Jupiter. It is a gas giant so immense that you could fit over 1,300 Earths inside of it. This vector model shows Jupiter's gravity acting like a massive vacuum, sweeping up dangerous space rocks and pulling them off course. In 1994, this saved us when comet Shoemaker-Levy 9 was pulled safely away from Earth's orbital path, colliding directly with the gas giant instead. The dark impact scars left across Jupiter's atmospheric bands provided immediate physical proof of the collision's destructive scale. Had that comet hit Earth, it would mirror the devastation we saw 66 million years ago. There is a terrifying flaw in this unengineered setup. Jupiter catches most threats, but it does not catch all of them. Depending on passive astronomical luck as our primary survival strategy is completely unsustainable. To guarantee our future, humanity must pivot. We must transition from passive luck and begin engineering active redundancy by becoming a multi-planetary species. Step 1 of this backup plan is already in motion. Space agencies like NASA are executing the Artemis mission, an ambitious initiative to establish a permanent staging ground on the Moon. This data visualization compares the massive fuel volume required to break Earth's gravity against the tiny fraction needed for a lunar launch. Because the Moon's gravity is roughly 1/6 of Earth's, launching subsequent missions is drastically easier and cheaper. Once we have that lunar stepping stone, Step 2 activates. Private companies like SpaceX are actively building fully reusable launch vehicles, like the Starship, specifically designed to transport heavy cargo and human crews toward our ultimate target, Mars. Mars is the optimal location to house humanity's backup drive. It offers a tangible reality for settlement, a solid surface, a day length nearly identical to ours, shifting seasons, and crucial reserves of water trapped in ice at its poles. Surviving there requires rigorous logistics. We will need to utilize giant 3D printers to construct habitats directly out of Martian soil and build deep underground to block out deadly cosmic radiation. Establishing self-sustaining colonies on the Moon and Mars creates a multi-planetary insurance policy for human civilization. Humanity is currently moving beyond the role of passive passenger on a fragile world. We are becoming the active architects of our own long-term survival. The dinosaurs were trapped by their biology, entirely unable to look up and deflect the rock that erased them. Today, we are empowered by our technology. Out of all the life that has ever existed here, we are the very first species with the physical capability to engineer the prevention of our own extinction. The same ancient instinct that drove early humans to cross uncharted oceans is now driving us to build rockets and navigate the solar system. We might currently reside on a highly vulnerable single point of failure, But the human mind has given us the tools to expand into the infinite universe, ensuring our story does not end with a single falling rock. If you want to keep exploring the cosmos with me, hit the like button, subscribe, and share this video. Let's build a community of explorers. Until next time, stay curious, stay human.